Hi, guys. All right. We are back with another live lesson. This time we're going to learn about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. So, the last few lessons have all been about idioms, but now we're going to focus on phrasal verbs. So, for this week so the next 4 lessons are going to be about phrasal verbs containing the word talk. Oh, hello, Kevin. Hello. How do you say your name? Hisumiat. Hisumiat? Hi, how are you? Thanks for joining. Okay, so today, hello, Daniel. We've got 2 phrasal verbs that we're going to study today, and they both contain the word talk. Oh, I'm very good. Hello from Peru. Nice to have you here. I'm good today. It's been really rainy in Japan. It's kind of typhoon weather. Hello. As I was saying, this time we're going to focus on phrasal verbs, and we're going to look at phrasal verbs that contain the word talk. Okay. Oh, hello from Iraq. Nice to have you. Joseph. Hello. Hello, Linal. Okay. So we're going to look at our phrasal verbs for today. So we have 2, okay? And they are very similar, but they're opposites, okay? So remember that. Okay, good morning. So can you see this? I used blue ink, maybe not the brightest, but okay. So our first one is talk into. Talk into. So to talk someone into doing something. So both of these phrasal verbs, by the way, can be separable. So phrasal verbs can sometimes only be together, but these phrasal verbs, you can stick someone in the middle here. So you can separate these words. So talk someone into doing something. Talk someone into doing something. Hello from Mexico. Oh, Somalia? I don't know which one. Very nice. Thanks for joining. So to talk someone into doing something means that you are using your words to convince them to do something. Okay? Oh, am I from Japan? So I'm not from Japan. I'm from the US, but I'm living in Japan. And I can't leave the country at the moment because of the current situation in the world. Okay. So to talk someone into doing something means to convince them by using your words. So telling someone what is good about making a decision. So for example, let's see. If I wanted to go to a restaurant to eat dinner, but my friend wants to save money and not go to a restaurant, I could try to talk my friend into going to a restaurant. I could say, if we go to a restaurant, we don't have to cook, we don't have to do the dishes, we can eat nice food, we can just chat and enjoy ourselves. Let's go to the restaurant. And if my friend says, okay, I'll go to the restaurant, you talked me into it. It means you convinced me. Oh, hello from Iraq, Afghanistan. Hello. Okay, so does that one make sense? Talk into doing something. Oh, hello from Madagascar. Hi. Hi, Tiana. Okay, then talk out of is the opposite of talk into. So talk into, you're trying to convince someone to do something. Talk someone out of doing something means to convince them not to do something. So, for example, what's a good example? Let's see. like right now, maybe it's not a good idea to do a lot of traveling. So if my friend said, hey, I want to go on a cruise and travel the world this fall, I would say, maybe that's not a good idea. Maybe you should reconsider. I think you should maybe go next year. I could talk my friend out of going on a cruise. So it's not a good idea. You shouldn't do it. Talk out of. Talk out of. Okay? So to convince someone not to do something and to convince someone to do something. Oh, are you teaching in Japan? Yes, I sometimes teach in Japan. Hello. Okay, so do you have these two phrasal verb meanings down? Should we go to the other whiteboard? So I'll just quickly review. I have the meanings here for those of you who are just joining us. Okay. Ooh, we have lots of colors today. Okay, so I'll put it a little bit closer. I did write kind of small. So to talk someone into something, to get someone to do something by talking about the good reasons for doing it. It's a good idea. You should do it. Talk into something. To talk someone out of something means to stop someone from doing something by talking about the good reasons for not doing it. Convincing someone not to do something. Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying the lesson. Thank you. Okay, so I have some, exercises here that we can try. So number 1, let's try this together. My parents, buying the house because it was too expensive. So maybe I want to buy a house, but my parents said, I think it's a little bit too expensive. Maybe you shouldn't buy it. You shouldn't buy it. Which one do you think is the correct answer? So this someone is going to be me. Very good, Kevin. Yes, talked me out of. Talked me out of. Okay, I'm going to write it down. My parents talked me out of. And notice the pronunciation of out of. So if I say it slowly, my parents talked me out of buying. But if I say it like in natural conversation, I might say, my parents talked me out of. My parents talked me out of buying the house. My parents talked me out of. The T becomes a flap T. It is between two vowels. So outa. You'll hear a lot of Americans saying outa. Get me out of here. Okay. Oh, very good. Most of you got it correct. Nice. Okay. Now let's try number 2. My friend going to the party last night. It was a blast. So without this second sentence, it could be either. My friend talked me into going to the party. My friend talked me out of going to the party. But since we have this second sentence, it was a blast. This is our big hint for the correct answer. So when we say something was a blast, we mean it was really fun. It was a blast. Okay? So my friend going to the party last night. It was a blast. Oh, very good. Yes, perfect, Kevin. So blast means to have fun. It was a blast. It was really fun. So the correct answer should be, my friend talked me into going to the party because I did go and it was fun. Okay? My friend, my marker is already dying. Talked me into. Okay? My friend talked me into going to the party last night. It was a blast. And here, my friend talked me into going. Into But if we're going to say very quickly, we might skip over the T sound in into. So sometimes when we talk fast, it sounds like inu, inu. My friend talked me into going. My friend talked me into going. Inu, inu, inu. My friend talked me into going. Okay? Oh, very good. So number 3. Oh. Okay, number 3. Don't try to it. I've already decided to do it. Don't try to it. I've already decided to do it. Oh, Kevin is very fast. Very good. Don't try to talk me out of it. Out of it. Can you see that my pen is running out of ink? Don't try to talk me out of it. I've already decided to do it. Don't try to talk me out of it. I've already decided to do it. Okay. And the last one, number 4. I think I can accepting our offer. I think I can accepting our offer. Which one do you think it is? I think I can. So maybe the someone here could be them or he or she, anybody really. Yes, that's correct. Don't try to talk me out of. Yes. Okay, so I think I can convince them to accept our offer. Yes, 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 yes. So good, very good, Kevin. We'll use you for the someone. I think I can talk you into. Okay. I think I can talk you into accepting our offer. Very good. Okay. So that was all of them. I'll put it one more time up on the screen so you can see it. Okay. And we will be studying these kind of phrasal verbs the next 4 lessons. Okay. So please remember these 2, and we'll do a review lesson again. So please remember it. Review this lesson anytime. Okay. So I've got to go. I'm actually over my time. I have another lesson that I have to teach. Okay. So thank you guys so much for participating. I'll leave the lesson up for you guys to watch, and I will see you guys next time, tomorrow. Okay? Thank you guys so much. Sorry, it was rushed at the end. I just realized the time. Okay. So thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.